Here's how you can allow CapCut to access photos on the iPad. Let's get started. And if this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, CapCut is a video editor which should access your photos in order to be able to edit them and perform all of the changes and have the projects ready. But if it doesn't work, all you have to do is just to open up the settings app and proceed to the apps at the bottom from the list of every single installed app. Naturally find the CapCut, and all of the things can be found in here. So you can tap on photos, which should be at the top of the list, and choose from the three options. Most likely you have it selected to none or limited access, so you might want to give it full access, meaning that every single photo and video on the iPad will be accessible through the CapCut application. If you only want to edit a few clips, you can also go with the limited access, which allows you to specifically select the photos and videos from your gallery that the app is allowed to see, right? So if you want to do it this way, then obviously you have the option to. This is a little bit more tedious because, for example, if you capture more things with your camera or some new files appear in your gallery, you will always have to come back to this place and re-enable or add access for those clips too. Right, so if you care about your privacy, go with that option. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to find it on your iPad. I would really appreciate your feedback. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.